This is Discrete Homotopy Theory lecture series. So today our topic is local isomorphism. So first of all, I define definition of local isomorphism. Let C be any category. Okay, C be any category, and according to the definition of category as we know. Hmm. Category theory lecture series. Morphism P from C to D. Morphism from P from C to D, where C and D are the objects of category C. Okay, and P belongs to the morphism or of C. We can say P belongs to the home set of C comma D. Okay, so a morphism P from C to D in a category C has a right drifting property against a morphism I. There also a morphism I from A to B, where A comma B belongs to the objects of category C and I belongs to the morphism of category C. Okay, so yeah, P is a P in the category C has a right lifting property against a morphism I from A to B in a category C. Every commutative square of the form. So this type of square, commutative square. So there is a morphism from B to C, C to D is a B, and there is a morphism I A to B, and there also a morphism between B to D, which is U, and there also a morphism. Sorry, this is B. There exists a morphism U from A to C. Okay, so this is a commutative square diagram. If there exists a morphism H from B to C, we can say, or we call it a left side that the diagram commutes. We, on previous page, we have a morphism P from C to D, and I is a morphism from A to B, and there is a morphism between C and A and C, which is U, and there is a morphism in between V, B and D, which is B, if there exists a morphism H. Okay, H from where to where? H is a morphism from B to C. If this type of morphism exists and the square is that square diagram is commutes. So we can say H is a left. Okay, and also we can say P has right lifting property against. Okay, P has right lifting property against I. Okay. Furthermore, if such a left edge is unique, so we can say P has unique right lifting property against it. Okay, let's end this video. Allah Hafiz.